Hello friends, it's Dean, and I want to tell you about an event that I'm hosting this Friday online at 7 p.m. That would be March 13th, and it's called Tom Pacheco Night. It's a open mic for the songs of Tom Pacheco, and it's a benefit for Tom and Annie, his wife. Both of them are in a pretty delicate state of health, and we're thinking about them and praying for a better picture. This song itself is a song that Tom wrote. It's a prayer, and I dedicate it to you, Tom. It's called Seagull. Heavenly Father, Spirit of all I can see, watch over my brother the way you have watched over me. Give him protection from any danger he meets, and though he may stumble, may he always land on his feet. He's been unlucky, he's been betrayed. This time please give him a good hand to play, and make every cloud he cannot outrun be just the shadow of a seagull in the sun. And make every cloud he cannot outrun be just the shadow of a seagull in the sun. I have been worried, knowing he's out there alone, searching for something inside that is deeper than bone. How can somebody suffer so much for so long before they believe there's no reason at all to go on? Show him his value to his own eyes, give him the wings that will help him to fly, and make every cloud he cannot outrun be just the shadow of a seagull in the sun. He has taken far too many falls, worked so long and hard just to lose it all. Every crop he planted would not yield. This time let a treasure fill his field. Guide him through valleys, clear a few trees from his path. Spare him the merciless wind and the cold winter's wrath. Lead him to some place of beauty where healing can start, and let the moon rise off the river and into his heart. Let him find purpose, let him find peace. From every prison may he be released, and make every cloud he cannot outrun be just the shadow of a seagull. Let him find purpose, let him find peace. From every prison may he be released, and make every cloud he cannot outrun be just the shadow of a seagull in the sun. See you on Friday. I hope the details are in the chat. Thank you.